Welcome back to our channel, YouTube. My name is Katie Roberts. I'm the owner and principal designer of MERAV Interiors. We are a full-service interior design studio here in Arizona. We do service outside of the state, so if you're loving our designs and our content, the things we're putting out, reach out. Let's be friends. Let's talk about your project. But today, I have a very special treat for you. Today, I'm showing you something that I typically don't show you. I'll talk about it on my Instagram stories and kind of give like little sneak peeks here and there, but for the most part, I never show you the full progress of a full-blown renovation project like I'm showing you today. Welcome to the Palmer Project. One of my favorite things about a design project is the process. So I thought I would bring you along, and although we are not at the very start, we have started demo, as you will see inside. You'll get to see behind the scenes of the whole progress of the Palmer project. When we were in the architectural and conceptual planning part of this phase, we wanted to figure out how we wanted this space to truly feel. So the concept for this renovation is truly a resort villa. So think earthy, bright, light, airy, chalky, creamy, all of those things are going to be enveloped into this project. And although it doesn't look like that today, use your imagination and let's go take a look. Okay, so coming into the space, this is actually where the kitchen used to be. You can see this was where the island was. This kind of used to be a little pantry area, but otherwise this was it. Tiny, right? So if you've been around for any length of time with me, you know that I love to move a kitchen across the house when it's necessary. So that's what we're gonna do in this project. This will become a full open sliding door, so you can kind of have that like indoor, outdoor living experience. We're putting a brand new pool patio back there, so it'll be so beautiful, but I wanna show you where we're moving the kitchen. So this right now, this kind of was like a little living space. You can tell there's a fireplace here, but we are doing away with the fireplace. And then on this side, you can see there was an existing double door here that just went outside. We are actually turning that into a pass-through serving window. So the idea is that you'll have your beautiful kitchen sink, your countertops will extend outside, and then you're gonna have this beautiful window that you can open up and again get that indoor-outdoor living feel that we love so much here in Arizona. The weather is just so good to have the windows and doors opened almost year-round, not in the summer. Another change in the kitchen is that this wall is actually going to remain, but it's gonna get a little facelift. So we're gonna keep this, we're gonna get rid of this bay window, and right here will be an entry to a brand new primary bedroom addition. So come on outside and let me show you. Now we are on the outside of where we just were in the kitchen. And if you can imagine, this will be a doorway and you will enter in here and there will be a beautiful bed. There's actually going to be a wall right here, and you can go into the bathroom behind it from either this side or around the other side. If you can also imagine, there's going to be beautiful sliding glass doors that will open up onto the pool patio. So let me take you over here. This is like you're going into the bathroom and you're going to be met with a beautiful vanity. It's going to be huge, actually. I know you can't really tell from the size of what's going on today, but there's gonna be a huge mirror here that's gonna reflect a beautiful display of the tiled shower. We're gonna have double shower heads. It's gonna be so beautiful. You'll be able to walk back this way into a closet and around that way into the toilet room. So right now, where you're viewing me from, you are in the laundry room, but there are no walls in this place. So right now, I'm gonna show you the existing primary bedroom's bathroom. This bathroom is gonna get a total upgrade. When we were here the first time we saw this house, there were green and red Aztec tiles, there was a green toilet, and now it's gonna be full of beautiful brand new tile, beautiful walk-in shower, and it's going to be connected to the existing primary. This primary bedroom, it will get a total facelift and also have its own double doors leading out to a brand new pool patio. Coming out of the existing primary bedroom, you're met with existing bedrooms, which are a little bit small, if I'm being honest, so we needed to expand the footprint, right? So we're taking the front door and we're actually moving it over so that these bedrooms can become a little bit larger to house beautiful, brand new king beds. This area in front of me will be the guest bathroom. Since we did walk-in showers in both of the other primary bathrooms, we wanted to make sure that any family that came and visited this home also felt like they could actually function in the space. We decided to put in a bath into this guest bathroom, but I hate when I walk into a bathroom that has a bath and the only thing you notice is this clunky tub. So we're upping the design in this guest bathroom, and the idea would be to create a design that takes your eye off of the bathtub and fills it with more interest. Think texture on the floors, beautiful tile in the shower, and fun lighting and mirror elements. I'm really excited how this space is gonna come together. I hope you loved this one of many tours of the Palmer project. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hey, and if you want to follow us on Instagram, you can follow us at MERAV Interiors or on my personal page at Katie Ellis Roberts, and we'll catch you on the next one.